0.35. You just interpolate it to find the value for 12. Okay, so by interpolation, I think you know, just for 10 sample size, we have 0.46 as the value. So what will the value if we have a sample size 12? Just unitary method you can find out, or you can use the interpolation method by I think better you use the unitary method, right? Okay, so 10 for 10 0.46, so for 12 how much it will be? 0.46 by 10 multiplied by 12. That will give you the critical value of Kendall's tau. Next one is the next one will be your Z score. So for Z score, you see, for the Z score will let me see. For Z score, we have a value. Let me show you the table, critical Z score table. Let's just wait. So this is the critical value table for positive Z score. You see, here is the table. So as I described in the presentation, you have to find the 0.47. Okay, because you are talking about, you are trying to find out the Z score for a level of significance 5%. So for that, use the formula 1 minus alpha divided by 2. That means 1 minus 0.05 divided by 2. So it comes to 0.95 divided by 2, which is equal to more or less 0.46. Right? So this positive value of Z score start from 0.5. So maybe it is not there. Okay, let me go with the negative scores. I think here we can get the 0.47 somehow. Yeah, this is the table, I think. You see 0.47. I say that if you cannot find 0.47, use the nearest of them. So yeah, here it is 0.4746. You see nearest, oh no, this is 0.47, not 0.47. So you have to find it. Let me see where I can find it. 0.4545, yeah, here. 0.47, I think 0.472 is more nearer, right? So 0.472. So now move towards the header of the column. It is 0.07. Header of the row, minus 0. So you just add minus 0 plus 0.07. So it will come as minus 0 plus 0.07. It will come around 0.07 in a minus, right? So what will be the result? Your Z score, that the calculated Z score for your data must be more negative to the negative value of Z In our case, it is a negative value of z. So it will be the critical value of z is, you see, 0.07, sorry, minus 0